What's up guys, it's John here. I'm a certified public accountant for over 20 years. I have worked with doctors, business owners, real estate investors, and corporate executives. I have seen many real life examples of how people achieve financial freedom and retire early. Today, I'm going to show you 3 examples to show you how people achieve that. Please watch the video until the end so you will know the common theme these people all share. I hope this video will inspire you too. So what does it mean to be financially free? Let's talk about the concept of active income and passive income. An active income is where you have to put active work in order to earn income. You have to work on it, you have to spend time on it. The moment you're not there working on it, there's no income. Passive income, money is working for you. Whether you're there or not, you don't have to be actively working. You're not trading your time for money. For example, dividend stock that give you dividend, that's passive income. Interest, that's dividend, that's passive income. So in theory, when your passive income is greater than or equal to your living expense, you are financially free, right? Because all those income, you don't have to spend time on it, and you throw off enough money to cover your living expense. You are financially free. So generally, you can achieve that if you're a business owner or an investor, because they all have passive income. So the first example I want to show you is one of the clients I work on is an Italian restaurant owner. He started with the first location, and he worked very hard in it. He wants to know every aspect of the business, and because of his street smart and his work ethic and his good customer service, and most important, very good food, his restaurant is very successful. So then he opened 5 more restaurants in the next 5 years, and he hired employee and hired very good restaurant manager for each locations. So he owned a system, and he hired people working hard for him. In the span of 10 years, he owned 10 restaurants, and each one cleared 50,000 profit. So his income is 500,000, right? 50,000 profit for 10 locations. His income is 500,000. And I would say it's very passive. He's there to oversee the operation, but he's not there for the day-to-day operations. The restaurant run by itself, and he's just there to make sure everything runs smoothly. The second example is one of my clients who is a successful real estate agent. He sells about 50 property a year, and so he make good commission income. He buy 1 rental property every 2 years. And he managed the first 3 by himself because he wants to learn the ins and outs of property management. So in the span of 10 years, he owned 5 properties. And every year his goal was just to pay off the mortgage as soon as he can. So after 20 years, he owned 5 properties free and clear. And each one could net him 20,000 a year. So he has 5. So his annual passive income is already 100,000. Right now he no longer sell real estate. He kind of semi-retired. He enjoy his time, part-time managed, overseeing his rental property. I mean, at this point, he basically hired a property management company to manage the day-to-day for his rental property. He's pretty hands-off. And so his passive income is 100,000 a year, right? The third example is one of my clients who is a plumber. He owns his business, he's self-employed. He is very frugal though. He regularly saves 25% of his income. The money he saved, he put it into his stock portfolio. He is very heavily involved in the dividend stocks, and he also owns bonds. So over 20 years, he has a pretty sizable portfolio, and his dividend income and the bond interest alone, it's already 150,000 a year. Right now he's not working as a plumber anymore. He is retired, and he is still living very comfortably because his dividend income and interest is already 115,000 a year, and it's very passive. So to summarize my key points, here are some key takeaways. First, passive income is the way to achieve financial freedom. There's so many ways to make passive income. I have made a few videos on this topic already, so please check out my other video. So I give you some example of earning passive income. Owning a business, which you have a very good chance of developing a good system and hire people working for you, so you will earn passive income. The second one is invest in rental real estate. It will throw off money for you, and it's very passive once you pass the first 5 years, because you will know how to screen tenants, and you will know who to hire as property manager. You will hire handyman. By that point, it's not a headache for you. You will just enjoy the passive income that generates. Also, if you don't like real estate, you could invest in dividend stocks. And dividend stock, they're a very stable, mature company. They produce a lot of profit and pay out dividend regularly. If you over time accumulate a good sizable dividend stock portfolio, the dividend income alone will throw off enough passive income to make you financially free. Okay, I would like to get some feedback from you. Comment below. Let me know, how do you plan to achieve financial freedom? Share your story. I also do private financial and tax consultation. For any inquiry, my email is listed in the description section below. I hope you find this video valuable and inspiring. You could share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. I make new content every week, and so please check out my other video. See you there.